it's Nicole Spohr here, and I have an unboxing of my Happy Planner haul from Black Friday through Cyber Monday. There were a few things on my wish list that I thought, why not pick up on sale? So I am going to open them all on camera. My Michaels stuff came in 2 separate packages, and then this is from Happy Planner. So I've kind of held on to some of this stuff because this box has been here for quite a few more days than everything else. So we're just going to open it right here on camera. I did take the label off that had my address in there, so I did take that off before, but I have not opened it at all. It may be a surprise what I bought. Okay. Oh yes, I remember. So let's take all of this out and then we'll talk about it. So there were, 1 second, that's loud. Let me put this over here. Okay. Actually, let's just move these for a second too. Trying to make the most room. So I got this kind of a, it's called recovery planner, but I got this more for like sort of like fitness, health, well-being, all of that good stuff. That is what I wanted this for. It is a 12-month planner. It does start in January. And I did get that extension pack and things so I could start a little bit earlier. But here's kind of how it looks. I know I probably mentioned this, but one of the things I've never used a planner with this kind of layout, so I'm really excited to start sharing some spreads and things. I love the neutral colors. I love the watercolor touches throughout. That was one of the things I really, really liked. I do not like these plastic discs, so I'll probably be switching those out to metal. I like metal discs better. So there's that, but I love this. In fact, I don't even think I have any gold discs, which is what I think I would use here, but isn't this beautiful? Oh, let's look at all of these really quick. I love this planner. I think the subtle colors are totally my jam. I love this. She writes her own story. I'm really excited to start using this. I need to figure out what I'm going to do there. I'm going to try to do a spread with the extension pack for my December planner for next week, so stay tuned for that. Oh, I love this. Breathe in positivity, breathe out negativity. Yes, that is my motto. You are a work in progress, and so is everything around you. This is just beautiful artwork. I would totally frame these. I think they're so pretty. Let's look at August. The world needs your magic. Growth is growth, no matter how small. Things do not change, we change. This is another one I would totally frame. That's so beautiful. Live in the present and make it so beautiful that it will be worth remembering. Oh, I love that. Yeah, I'm really excited about this, you guys. So excited. And nevertheless, she persisted, which is another one of my favorite quotes. This is beautiful. Again, not loving these rings, but we're going to take care of that. Because I noticed, I just got an email that Happy Planner's winter release is releasing on Monday. Who's buying stuff? Hands up, me. So likely I'll just throw some metal discs in that order. Because I completely forgot when I ordered all of this. Okay, this is like the fitness. So this is like more the wellness. I was going to use this more wellness. This is like the fitness portion. They're probably going to be used kind of interchangeably, but maybe not. And again, I did buy, I think, some extension packs for this as well. And pretty basic. I don't know out of either of these that I will be utilizing every single thing but for each month, but we will kind of see. I have some definite fitness and like wellness type goals, and so that is what I got both of these for. It's to add those sections. In fact, I'm going to be doing a video of adding the different sections to my planner, my main catch-all planner, because I want to keep everything basically together. And then I'll switch them out from month to month back to these, and I'll probably do kind of a video of that at the end of every month or at the beginning of that next month. So I never did get, this is the Princess Elegance. And you guys know the Disney, I tend to need it all. So I did pick this up. I thought it would be fun to incorporate. And if you guys have seen any of my videos, especially my past videos, I don't know if I've talked about it a lot in these yet. I mean, for these sticker sheets alone, I like little twinkly stars. I love that. Oh, these are really cute. And see, these are kind of those same neutral colors. I like that. Very, very pretty. Definitely the Elegance. I'm excited to incorporate some of these into my spreads. So I just wanted it. It was on a really good clearance deal, so we picked that up. Then also from Michael's, and this was part of that same order. It just shipped separately. It must have come from like a store or something, or a different store. I got the Fancy Florals. And I just really liked like all these little trackers and the colors. Very subtle again, but I like all these blush colors. I honestly thought all of this would go really nice together. Beautiful foiling, beautiful clear quote stickers. Love all of these boxes. I like that they don't have tons of things in them or words. I don't really like when they have words in them. There's some gold. I'll probably use some of these. I wish there were more, like 2 sheets of this. I love that one. Here's some. These are not obnoxious. I do like some of these little things here, and really they could be covered up if they need to be, but those are pretty. I like those. I love this. Love this. Oops. Got to flipping too fast. Beautiful, beautiful. These are pretty little icons. I love these. Beautiful florals. And I just kind of, the sketchy outline of them really makes me kind of think of the Princess Elegance. So, like all of this. Like these. I'm really excited to use this. This is beautiful. So that is what I got from Michael's. I got 4 things. So I didn't go crazy because I knew the winter release was coming and I'd want things. But I did pick up some stuff that had been on my wish list. And those, all 4 had been on my wish list. Okay, this is from the Happy Planner. And I got, again, just a couple things on my wish list from there. Let me put this over here. So I got, looks like 3 sticker things, 2 sticker books. This is neutral watercolors, and I have talked lots and lots in past videos about my love of watercolor, and oh my gosh. Neutral watercolor, yes please. I'm so excited to use this. I don't particularly love these boxes that have the watercolor to them. If there's not a lot, I like them, but these, yes, I love. I like this. Beautiful. I like the idea of this. I'm not sure. We'll see if I can use it. I kind of have an idea actually. But see, I love it, the watercolor on this, and I like it on this. It's just certain things I don't like it. I think it's like borders I don't like. But those I love. Oh, I love the splatters in the background. I just want to use this whole sheet. This is beautiful. I like that it's gold. This is what I'm talking about. I don't think I like the outline. Oh, and there's 2 sheets of those. But I like these. I like half circles. I think those are fun. Oh, good. Some like ones with lined half circles. Those are super useful. But I like the solid boxes of watercolor. I like these a lot. Great little accents. Oh, some washi. Lots more washi. Bigger boxes. I like this. Beautiful. I love the blue. These are all beautiful. I like these little watercolors. So much fun. Okay, I'm really excited about this. I love seeing that in person. So I got that. That's neutral watercolors. This is kind of more that fitness. And it is a small little sticker thing. I just thought that some of these quotes were fun. I liked the little icons, the little words for workout and stuff, because I'm going to try to do some spreads for that for you guys every week. So this was kind of that. Not very many sticker sheets, but I thought they were kind of cute. I thought they were really fun. Sweat, smile, repeat. Cute. And then more watercolor. Abstract watercolor. So you see a theme here. Oh, pretty. Gold foil sentiment, or little word strips. I love this. I love little watercolor things. I think these are cool. I like those. I like those a lot. More great little borders. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited about this. Love, love, love this. I love watercolor things, so this is beautiful. I cannot watercolor, but I love the look. I like these too. Beautiful. Very like goal-oriented type. Oh, look, pretty little skinny boxes. I like those. Ooh, I really like those. And all these big like accent boxes for layering. I love washi. Like little happy face. Oh yeah, it's like all little emoji faces. And some solid ones. Good for bullet points maybe. I love this. Oh yeah, I'm super excited. I love, love, love it. Oh, and then these same stickers in clear. They were on paper before. Oh my goodness, you guys. I love these. Beautiful. So that is that. So that is the stickers and planners. And then I did buy 2 of these metal rings just because they're in the winter white color, which was like exclusive for the Black Friday Cyber Monday. Is that the right color? Did I say the right thing? Where is it? I believe that's what this color was called. I bought 2 boxes of them and they kind of got smashed, but that's okay. They're not going to be in here long. I maybe even could do white. I just don't think I like white for this one. So I'll probably get some gold ones for that. I really thought I bought some champagne ones, you guys. I could have sworn. Where do you think those are? I will have to check. Anywho, that is what I picked up for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. I hope you enjoyed this little flip through video. And I would love to hear in the comments what you guys picked up. So drop me a note, let me know. Let me know what you're excited about picking up on Monday. I definitely will do a haul video when I order and get that, because very excited. Anyway, I will be back with a new spread video soon. Thanks for watching.